So, all right, so before you came in today, you were busy.
Yeah, I had some fun bowling.
Yeah. Who doesn't have fun bowling, right?
That's true.
That includes...
It's all about the shoes.
It's all about the... Yeah, and sometimes the ball, right? The group Seedlings were bowling for Braille Books at Plaza Lanes in Plymouth. The event raising money for books that are written in Braille. In fact, Seedlings Braille Books for Children organization gives nearly half of its books away for free.
Picked up the spare!
To help increase the literacy rate among visually impaired kids.
I grew up reading Braille books when I was young, and it was really neat to be able to read books like my friends did, and just be able to go and have access to so many books locally, and for them to be so affordable to get was really great. And I've seen many children as I've grown up coming who could barely read, and they take a tour of Seedlings and are able to pick out books, and they're so happy that they can get their own books and so excited they can read. So I think it's really a great organization.
Awesome thing. Seedlings has been operating for 30 years now. This year the group hopes to raise $40,000. Looked like you knew what you were doing on the lanes there as well. No, wouldn't go that far?
I bowl left hand until I get tired, then I bowl right hand. That tells you how good each hand is. It really is a great group. That started with one woman in her basement making a few Braille books 30 years ago, and now they send them all over the world.
Yeah, it's a wonderful thing.
Absolutely.
And what a wonderful tool for those individuals who lack sight.
You know, like I do, it's a March Reading Month, and we go talk to kids. Reading is the #1 way you could advance yourself in life no matter what, and it's great that the kids that don't have sight are getting a chance to do that too.
Yeah, awesome. Good stuff. Way to go. More to come.